Hey my loves, welcome back to my channel, and if y'all new, then welcome. Today I wanted to do this holiday glam olive green makeup look. So if you would love to see how I achieve this look, then don't forget to stay tuned. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye my loves. First I'm going to be taking my Perception palette by ColourPop, and I'm taking the shade Culture with my Morphe E27 brush. I'm just going to be putting that in my crease, and I'm also going to be taking the shade Revenge, and I'm going to just pop that on my crease as well. You probably could skip this step because honestly the green will cover it up, but I just wanted a transition shade. Now taking the Comfort Zone from Wet n Wild, I'm going to be going in with the crease shade, and I'm going to be taking my Morphe M433 brush. And I'm going to be treating this like I'm doing a halo eye, so I'm just going to place it on my outer inner corner and then just drag it along my crease area. And these shades don't have names, it just says crease, eyelid, brow bone. So yeah, I'm taking that crease shade. Now I'm going to be taking a Real Techniques shading brush just to pack that color on better. And just to lighten up the eye a little bit more, I'm going to be taking the eyelid shade and taking my M433 brush just to sweep that along that crease shade. Now to open up the eye a little bit, I'm going to be taking my Wet n Wild concealer in medium and my Morphe M126 brush just to open up the middle portion of my eye. I'm not going to be doing a cut crease type of eye look, so don't worry about making this so precise. Now to go back in with that eyelid shade and this Real Techniques brush, I'm going to pack that over that concealer. And then to deepen up the eyelid again, we're going to be taking the shading brush and packing back on that crease shade. Going back in with the Perception palette and the shade Unbother, I'm just going to be popping that in the middle of my eye just to give it a more lighter halo eye. Or you could leave it as we had it before, but I just wanted to brighten it up a little bit. Now I'm going to be taking my NYC liquid liner. This is discontinued. Now taking Molten Gold highlighter by Maybelline, I'm just going to be taking the M507 brush, I believe, and popping it on my brow bone. And then I'm going to be mixing Wet n Wild concealer, medium, and cocoa, and placing it underneath my eyes, the bridge of my nose, my forehead, and yes, mixing these two. Taking LA Girl concealer in Chestnut, I'm going to be bronzing up my cheekbones and my forehead. And I'm going to be using a Real Techniques Instapop blush brush. Almost forgot that real quick. No, Instapop cheek brush, sorry. And just blending that all in. And then to blend in the concealer, I'm going to be taking a Real Techniques shading brush. No, setting brush. I'm all mixed up, sorry. Setting brush, just to blend that in. I usually take my sponge, my Real Techniques sponge as well. But it was dirty and I was just so lazy to go wash it. But this does the trick as well. Now I'm going to be taking my Sacha Buttercup powder and my sponge right here. And it's not damp, this is dry. And I'm just going to be placing that powder and pressing it into my skin everywhere I put my Wet n Wild concealer at. So we're going to be setting that concealer. Now going in with my Black Radiance palette, the medium to dark palette, I'm going to be taking my Jessup brush and mixing the Sculptor shade and the Contour shade to contour and bronze up my face. And I'm also going to take it down the sides of my nose. And I'm going to be placing Stylish Buttercup powder underneath my cheekbones just to give it a more sharper look. And I'm going to be dusting it away with my Real Techniques contour brush. And I'm also going in with my Sephora Micro Smooth powder in Deep just to place that on everywhere we put the Sacha Buttercup powder because I don't want any flashback, and I'm also setting at the same time. Now taking Boomin' by ColourPop and Time Shayla, and my fan brush, I'm just going to be placing that on my cheekbones, my nose, my forehead, and my Cupid's bow. And I'm going to be spraying my face with my Urban Decay All Nighter spray and then repeating those steps. I know y'all tired of this liner, but it's just so good. My NYX brown liner with my MAC lipstick and Rocket to the Moon. I'm going to be placing that all on my lips, and then I'm also taking the Makeup Shayla lip gloss. I forgot the name, but I'll link it in the description. Taking in 508 brush, I'm going to be taking all the shades we put in the crease and the eyelid, and I'm going to be lining my bottom lash line with this look. And then I'm going to be taking my Big Shot mascara by Maybelline and placing it on my lower lash line because I already done my top lash line off camera. And that, my loves, is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed